Joey, don't teach her how to shift. Don't.
Don't tell her how to go faster.
Yeah, for the first one, you took it down.
Okay. Well, after that, I was trying to do it and then just pushing it down still. So
No, you gotta pull this back and push it up.
Okay.
One down, forward here. Oh, that one in neutral. Did you ever get your foot off? Pull back. Don't wipe out.
You know, ghost ride it. Have you got to start now or no? No, I mean like it just. Oh, okay.
I would just do it the same way you did at the start. Because if you don't, it might wipe out.
Oh shit! What the hell was that?
She forgot to let off the gas part.
I don't think you told her that part.
I told her last time.
Ooh.
What was that?
That was Mom.
She tried to shift it, but she forgot to let off the gas.
She's going kind of fast around the corner.
She's trying to be brave. She's trying to be brave. Go, Mom.
When you shift, you gotta let off the gas.
She's concentrating on too much. She takes her eyes off. She looks at the clutch and looks at the shifter. She's
Yeah.
concentrating too hard.
Way too hard.
She's making it harder than it is.
Yeah.
She's just trying to get a funny home video.
Oh. Mom, wipe out. We can get on TV. You gotta wipe out so we're on TV. Take it for the team.
Shifting all right.
Not too bad for the first time.
She's going
When she gets off
fast
that
around
one,
the
tell her, all
corner.
right, now we're going to get the Harley out.
Yeah. Oh, and yeah, right. I barely
Holy
drive
shit!
that thing.
She's
Well,
flying around
she's
the
taking
corner.
them slow.
She's taking them wide.
Yeah.
As wet as that grass is, though.
Still gotta
I was
be
surprised when
Flipping
I
her
was
hair.
I was like, oh.
She's still flipping her hair.
Traction too with those tires.
Sun's back out at least.
That's it. Now she's going to run right at the Harley and everything else.
Tom, now you have to. She's gonna come home and be like, "Hey, can you order me one on eBay?" Shoes are
I
stuck.
would say, all right. So.
All left turn.
Oh. Do a right turn.
This is where she
Right
went
turns are harder.
Yeah, that's funny.
She said she's ready for NASCAR. She masters the left-hand turn. So.
Oh, no, she's going left.
Oh, she went a right and then a left. Damn! She's feeling so proud of herself.
She got the figure 8 now.
Shit, man.
She looks at everything when she does it.
Yeah.
Went for the right turn, didn't feel good.
So you did both just to make sure?
But she's not covering the brake with the other foot. She's got to take her foot off the peg and cover
Oh.
and hit the brake.
That's what she was doing with the shifter, too.
Yeah. I can't believe she's done that.
Why? I didn't even.
Oh yeah, Mom's scared to death of bikes.
I just asked her because she said something about yesterday. She wanted.
She's
to try
feeling
it.
brave today.
She wanted to try it yesterday, so I'm like, hey, you want to try?
She
it?
should have
She's like,
waited.
Yeah.
She should have
Till
done
it
it
was
before
dry.
it rained.
Yeah.
It would have been a little easier.
Probably.
Oh, it was sliding.
Oh shit, man.
She's fearless on him.
She's really trying.
Breaking things iffy, so I will come straight for you.
Consider it.
I'm more of a put your feet down and hope the best.
That's not how you do that.